Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today's session we are going to embrace the power of Qi. So Qi is our energy and we want to build and maintain good energy for our health and well-being. I'm going to be using that famous Qigong stance called the Qigong tree pose. Now, some of you will know this as hugging the tree, and it's often used as a Qigong standing meditation exercise. Now, I also want to use it today as a moving meditation exercise. So we'll be doing the two, standing and moving, to combine into a lovely, relaxing meditation exercise. I feel that standing and moving meditation exercises are one of the most powerful things we can embrace in our practice. They really build energy, they root and ground our body, and they clear and calm the mind. It's all about refreshing, resetting and recharging our batteries so that we can really enhance our well-being. So we're going to get started, taking the feet into that parallel stance, about hip width apart. We're going to take a moment just to connect our mind and our body and think about our posture. So we're grounding our feet and really spreading our roots into the floor, so connecting with the earth below us. At the same time, we are lifting up through the crown and connecting with the heaven above us. We're then going to feel that expanse and air and space around all our organs and body, keeping all the joints relaxed and tension free. Now move our arms slowly and gently into that tree pose. So just like it says on the tin, a nice big tree trunk worth of space here, so that the arms are in a circular position. Shoulders are soft and relaxed, elbows are soft and relaxed and slightly lower than the shoulders, and our wrists and fingers are in a neutral, relaxed position. So just focus your mind on those Laogong energy points, our palms, and really try to connect the body and the mind. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And breathe in and breathe out, and relax that Qigong tree pose. So standing meditation exercise, you can do it for as long or as little as you like. We're going to take our feet slightly wider so that we can sink into a horse stance. So same posture, the knees are going to travel in the direction of our toes, and we're bringing ourselves round into that tree pose, but this time with a horse stance, just a mini horse stance, so that we're nice and relaxed. And again, feel that connection through the feet into the floor. At the same time, lift up through the crown and focus your mind on this lovely expansion here of the tree pose. Let's breathe in and breathe out, and breathe in and breathe out. And like me, you can close your eyes to really focus and clear the mind. And breathe out, and then relaxing the stance. So using our tree pose as a moving meditation, I'm going to bring my feet back to parallel, focus on the posture once more, And keeping the breathing calm, I'm going to bring my arms round to that tree pose, hugging the tree, and then bringing it back. And the breathing here, calm and slow, nice and deep, really expanding the lungs and chest. Breathing in and breathing out as we bring the hands down. And relax and bringing it back. And again. Really visualize yourself in a nice calm place, peaceful and feeling relaxed. Expanding the lungs and chest, filling our body with air and with good energy. And then taking the feet slightly wider. And again, we're going to use that horse stance. So breathing in, and on the effort of the bend, we're hitting that tree pose in our horse stance. Exhale on the bend, and then inhale and exhale. Let's go again. Really feel the movement and feel that energy circulating around the body. And again. And bringing our feet back to our parallel. So let's repeat that standing meditation exercise. Focus the mind. Let's breathe in and breathe out. Holding it here. And then moving meditation. Focus on feeling the energy flow. Embracing the power of Qi. Qi energy work. Qi energy exercises. Really powerful for feeling recharged and calming the mind and feeling relaxed and stress-free. And relax and bringing it back. And again. Taking the feet slightly wider. Again, moving into that standing meditation. Tree pose, but this time holding the horse stance. Calm breathing. Expanding the lungs and chest. moving meditation into our horse stance, sinking down. Keeping everything relaxed, all our joints tension free. And bring the feet back to our parallel. This time, holding the tree pose here. 3 breaths in and out. And gathering all that chi and bringing it here into the dantian, just below the belly button. And let's breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in, breathing out. And one more time. Thanks again for joining me. I hope this session has given you an insight into Qigong as a moving meditation and as a standing meditation, and a fusion of both into a nice relaxing Qi energy session. Embracing the power of Qi, I hope it has reset, refreshed and recharged your body and mind. Take care, and I shall see you again next time. Bye for now.